See, look, it ain't going nowhere, but I can do that to get it off. Boom. You delusional, boy, you losing your mind. Hi guys, welcome back to BeautyWithTy. So today I'm going to show you guys how I installed this wig using the flip over method. No part. And this is the natural curl pattern of this hair. This is water wave. It looks really good. And this wig is like really tight fitting. You could really wear this without using any like holding spray or glue. See how it just fits around my hairline? So yeah, this can definitely be worn as a glueless unit. If you would like to purchase this hair, definitely use my coupon code down below to get 25% off. All right, let's get into it. Alright you guys, so I did go ahead and wash my hair because when I sprayed on that lace tint, it went everywhere and it was just a disaster. But I'm glad I did wash my hair because look how beautiful my curls are. This is the natural curl pattern of this hair. See how defined my curls is? And this is water wave hair. Let me show you guys my knots. My knots are not bleached, but I'm not worried about that anyway because I'm not going to do a part on this unit. I'm just going to flip it over kind of how it is, just to do like a cute little flip over method. But if you were going to like part your hair, make sure you do bleach your knots. So I'm going to use this Got to Be Glued Free Spray to install this wig. Well, actually, I do need to prep this hair a little bit, so I'm going to use my wand curlers to flatten everything, then my holding spray. Okay, I actually got a little bit more prepping to do. I'm going to pluck this little bit so that the hairline isn't too thick. Flatten this out a little bit more since I plucked it. I go in and add some of my wax stick. This one is by She Is Bone Collection. Now let me spray the top a little bit, not combing through it, just to define the curls at the top again. Okay, so now I'm gonna just cut the lace off. So I like to spray underneath and then I like to spray on top as well. I'm trying not to do a lot of baby hair, so I'm gonna just get a couple strands. Okay, now I'm gonna tie this down. Go ahead and do my makeup and I'll be back. I'm gonna cut these little strings because what you're not gonna do is getting me and my makeup wet. Okay. Alright, so all done with my makeup. Simple as always. So now let's take this off and see what we're working with. Got a little fixing to do. First, let's get the extra spurts off. And take a little makeup. I actually didn't put any makeup on here. I'm just rubbing off what product is on this brush that I usually do the brown in my crease with. Okay. Take a little bit of my She Is Bomb Goo. Alright. So here's the finished look. Pushed over to the side with no part. Just a little slight baby hair. You delusional, delusional, boy, you losing your mind. Alright y'all, so it's actually the end of the day and I'm ready to take my wig off. But I wanted to come on here and show you guys how the Got To Be Glue Free Spray do not be playing. Like, hello? I'm here for it. I'm here for it, baby. See, look, it ain't going nowhere, but I can do that to get it off. Boom. Push that back down. And baby, we ready. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.